children, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, all are having a good day today. Yes, today is the March. Okay, we were learning little about the what your good manners, good habits. Today I am going to revise with the good habits. What are those good habits or good routines for you? You have to get up early in the morning, take a brush your teeth, take a glass of milk, do some small exercise like yoga or any gymnastics, then take a bath, then what else? Yes, you have to do one small yoga and after that one small Surya Namaskaram, then you can start your daily work. Before that you have to go to a restroom and then you have to take a fresh bath. That time you have to wash your face thoroughly with your hands and all your private parts. Then have your breakfast. Then you can come to a school. How you come to a school? You have to wear a clean and iron dress, wear a polished shoes and socks, then comb your ears, cut your nails once in a week and trim your hairs once in a month. Then while coming to school, please arrange all your books up to date to the timetable. That particular day's timetable you have to arrange your books. Then you have to recheck up the bottle's cap. If it has been put it properly or not, the box lid, it is proper or not, like that you have to check yourself before putting in your lunch box. Then while coming to the school, don't rush to get into the school bus or your father's vehicle. Go calmly and silently into the bus and sit properly in one place, or else in the next sense, if I tell to you that if you are coming with your parents, sit calmly in their vehicles, either by a scooter, either by a car. Okay. After coming to the school, please concentrate what the teacher will instruct you with from the prayer to the end. Whenever she teaches any lesson, you concentrate on that lesson and make a points either in your notebook or on in your head. Then what else is done? Yes, do all your classwork in the class only, and in your lunch break or in a short break you have to eat the food properly. Then what else? Before going to home, you recheck your books, all you have taken all your books from the class and go to home. Don't throw your bag and also your boxes, lunch bag and shoes and your socks anywhere in all around your house. You maintain yourself with a nice what? Arrangements, like keeping a books in a book rack, bag in a bag rack, lunch box. You put all your vessels for washing and keep your lunch box one side. And what else? Put a socks on the shoes and keep in a shoes rack, like that you can carry on. Okay. After that, have anything, wash your hands and legs thoroughly and have anything what mama gives to you. Then happily go to a small nap and then you go for a play. Like that the day will closes and it will come to the end for a 6 o'clock. That time again, you after coming from the play, you wash your hands again and again with the lots of soap and water. Then you wash your face also, go near the God, pray little, then come and sit in your place to read. From 6 to 8:30 you read all your things and complete all your homeworks. Then on the 8:30 till 9 you have your lunch. By that time you can see or watch some TV also. Afterwards you play 10 minutes with your parents or grandparents and go to bed at 9:30. Before going to bed you have to have a glass of milk. Okay. This may be your daily routine. Please warm up yourself and be in a obediently and very strictly with your own habits. Children, don't give that today I can't do, ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. Okay, understood? No? Shall we start our classes? Yes. After a long time again I am revising the Kannada. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಅ ಇ ಈ ಉ ಊ ರು ಎ ಐ ಒ ಓ ಔ ಅಂ ಅಹ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ ಕ ಘ ಕ ಜ್ಞ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚ ಚ ಜ ಜ ಜ್ಞ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚ ಚ ಚ ಜನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಠ ಠ ಢ ಢ ನ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥ ಥ ಧ ಧ ನ. ಥ ಥ ದ ದ ನ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ತ ತ ದ ದ ನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹ ಹ ಬ ಬ ಮ. ಪ ಪ ಪ ವ ಮ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯ ರ ಲ ವ ಶ ಶ ಸ ಹ ಲ ಸ ಹ ಳ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾರ ಲಾವ ಶಾಶ ಸಹಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ? ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 49 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿದೆ. ಏನೇನಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಅ ಅರಸ, ಆ ಆನೆ, ಇ ಇಲಿ, ಈ ಈಶ್ವರ, ಉ ಉದಯ, ಊ ಊಟ, ಋ ಋಷಿ, ಎ ಎಲೆ, ಎ ಏಣಿ, ಐ ಐವರು, ಐದು, ಓ ಓಟ, ಓ ಓದು, ಔ ಔಷಧ, ಅಂಜೂರ, ಆಹ. ಆಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಕ ಕಮಲ, ಖ ಖಡ್ಗ, ಗ ಗಡಿಯಾರ, ಘ ಗಂಟೆ, ಜ್ಞ. ಚ ಚಮಚ, ಛ ಛತ್ರಿ, ಜ ಜರಿ, ಜಹಜು ಅಥವಾ ಜಲ, ಝ ಝರಿ, ಜ್ಞ. ಠ ಠಗರು, ಠ ಠಸ್ಸೆ, ಠಕ್ಕ, ಡ ಡಮರುಗ, ಡ ಢಣಢಣ, ನ ನೊಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಥ ಥಬಲ, ಥ ಥರಮಸ, ದ ಧನಸ್ಸು, ಧ ಧನಸ್ಸು, ನ ನವಿಲು. ಇದಾಗೆ ಥ ತ ದ ದ ಧಗೆ ಧನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಧಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಧನಸ್ಸು, ನಾಗೆ ನವಿಲು. ಪ ಪಕ್ಷಿ, ಫ ಫಲ, ಬ ಬದನೆ, ಭ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಮ ಮಂಗ. ಯಾಗೆ ಯಂತ್ರ, ರ ರವಿ, ಲ ಲಂಗ, ವ ವಂದನೆ, ಶ ಶಬರಿ, ಷ ಷಟ್ಕೋನ, ಸ ಸರಳ, ಹ ಹವಳ. ಲಾಗೆ ಲಾ ಇಂದ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಲಾನ ನಾವು ಕೊನೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ how many letters are there? 49 letters in Kannada. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 49 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಓಕೆ, the homework is one time. Okay, write her to la in 2 lines book one time. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ 2 lines book ಅಲ್ಲಿ one time ನಾವು ಆ ಇಂದ ಲಾ ವರೆಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. This is your Kannada. Okay, now we will move to our next class, that is English. Next is your English class. Okay, what we were learning is yesterday. One and many. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. Okay, one and many. What are that? It is also called as singular and plural ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. one and many. Yesterday we learned some using your books. Okay, please open your reading readiness book. Okay, in the page number 43 and 44. 43 and 44. What is that? Cat. Cats. If there is only one cat, how will that cat? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್. ಬ್ಯಾಗ್, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್. ಪೆಗ್, ಪೆಗ್ಸ್. ಫ್ಯಾನ್, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್. Gift, gifts. Car, cars. Dog, dogs. Bib, bibs. Book, books. Cat, cats. Map, maps. Nib, nibs. ಈ ತರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. ಸನ್ಗೆ ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಸನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಮೂನು? ಮೂನು ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೂನ್ಗೆ ಮೂನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಮೆನಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆನಿ, ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಎಸ್, ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ write many for the following. Where you have to write? In your 4 lines book. Okay, 4 lines book you have to write many for the following. Tree, bird, swan, monkey, leaf, flute, bug, basket, cot, sweet, dish. Okay, so you can write one for the this or one. You have to write a many for this. For example, for tree, trees. Bird, birds. Swan, swans. Monkey, monkeys. Okay, like that you can write many for the following. Try to write figures also. If you know how to write the picture of the tree, you can write the picture of tree more than 3. If you write more than 3, that it understood, that is understood that it is a more. And write a last one you can write, for example, you can write like this. Then you write here trees. ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೆದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಹ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, I think you completed yesterday the page number 43 and 44 in your reading readiness book. If you are not completed, complete that homework also for today. Okay, understood children? Yes, yes. Today now we are going to our next concept, that is what? In the maths we learned till now the skip counting of the 2. What is the hint for the skip counting of the 2? The differences will be all ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So today we are going to learn the skip counting of the maths. Today we are going to learn the skip counting of the 5. Okay, skip counting of 5 andre I will show you how. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, in this the skip counting of 5, how you will identify? You will identify leave 5 numbers 1 2 3 4. Fifth number will be your skip counting of the 5. Again you start counting 1 2 3 4. Fifth number 1 2 3 4. Fifth number 1 2 3 4. Fifth number will be your skip counting of the 5. Okay, like this. If you go on learning this skip counting of the 5, what will comes? 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 and 50, like this. Skip counting of 5 only, end only either it will be 0 or it will be 5. You see, the end will be the 1 place will be 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. The number will be cumulative. Cumulative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ಈಗ 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Like this, in the skip counting of the 5, the number differences will be 5 only. This is called a, yes, yeah, this is called a skip counting of the 5 children. I think you understood now this one concept also. Yes, the homework is complete the caterpillar. Okay, the first one what I given, that is a skip counting of 2. Okay, this is the skip counting of 2. Okay, next is the you can draw a caterpillar and take your own numbers. Whichever you want you can take, and you can do the complete the caterpillar skip counting of 2 and this is the skip counting of 5. This is the skip of 5. Okay, I hope you understood. homework you need to complete in your 4 lines book. Okay, the homework is in your mathematics readiness book, page number 80. Okay, mathematics readiness book, page number 80. What they are given, just you check it there. Okay, 1 second, I will write here the homework. Mathematics readiness book, page number 80. What they are given in the page number 80? Okay, count by fives to find out the total. Okay, count by fives to find out the total. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 in all. Like that you have to count it and you have to write. They are given the hint, you have to count by the fingers, that you have to complete the page number 80 in that. Okay, yes, I think you understood. Yes children. Okay, as of now, today we learned the Kannada, English and also the maths. Tomorrow we are going to learn something different in the EVS, that is the vehicles. Whose vehicle is what and how they will use the vehicle for their community. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Take care. Bye.